For today's video, I have yet another review, a wig review by the company UniWigs. You guys all know that I love this company dearly to my heart. They create the most gorgeous, affordable wigs. I love them because they're budget friendly. So for all of my friends who are looking for a budget friendly wig, go check out UniWigs. Would highly recommend. Okay, moment of truth, introducing Miss Hanna from UniWigs. So the poor girl isn't styled yet, so don't judge it too hard. I will post a follow-up post of it nice and styled, so don't you worry. It is a stunning, gorgeous blonde with some warm tones. So yeah, it's a long blonde balayage, 100% human Remy hair. It is a lace front with a machine wefted back. We have combs on both sides, combs at the back, and of course the adjustment straps. I have already cut the lace, but I haven't cut in the ear tabs, so that's why you'll see a bit of excess lace. It is in the color Almond Frost. It is 16 inches in length, and the cap size comes in 21 or 22 inches in circumference. I asked for it to be smaller because that's the amazing thing about UniWigs is before ordering the wig, you can contact customer service and they would be happy to create an even smaller or an even larger wig depending on your head size. And for me, my head size ranges from like 19 to 20 inches in circumference, so this fits perfectly. So thank you UniWigs for being so accessible to all different head sizes. So let me give you guys just like an up close of the cap. So here is the lace. You can part it wherever you'd like, and you can easily remove these combs. It just takes a little bit of patience, and then you can adjust it accordingly at the back, and the tag is still on, so don't mind that. But let's throw her on. Alrighty, I have it adjusted accordingly, so let's throw her up. So here she is, Miss Hanna. I cannot wait to curl her. I'm super duper excited. Straight hair is just not really mercy. I don't know, for some reason I always associate with like curly hair rather than straight. I don't know. It's weird. It just, my personality goes with more curly hair, more volume, I would say. But look how stunning she is. Oh my goodness. The hairline. So the hairline isn't pre-plucked. You could still do a little bit of plucking if you wanted a more natural hairline, but it is still kind of shaped towards a natural hairline. It's not as staggery as some people would like. It's really all about personal preference.